Friday. Mr. Mackey, what's going on? How are you?
I'm always a click better on Fridays. Go figure. Is it that time again?
Yes, sir. It is that time again. It is 5 Minute Friday with Tyler Cox and Tim Mackey. And folks watching out there, it will be just 5 minutes this week because we got something compact that you all need to hear about, and it is very simple to speak about as well. I'm going to pass it over to Tim, but it is focusing on our YVC-200 and a Huddly Go bundle kit that we put together for work from home when this pandemic started. And now we're seeing this as a work from anywhere and more. Right, Tim?
Absolutely. Let's take a quick look at this, Tyler, shall we?
Yes, sir.
All right. You see my screen okay?
Yes, sir.
So, yeah, we put this solution together a little while ago, the work from home bundle. We've taken the Huddly Go state-of-the-art camera with our state-of-the-art YVC-200. We've talked about the 200 before, but a quick recap. It is full DSP in there, adaptive echo canceller, noise reduction, human voice activity detection, automatic gain control. It is a phenomenal piece of equipment. Most folks can make a decent microphone and a decent speaker. What Yamaha really brings to the table is all that processing in between. This truly sounds second to none. Couple that with a 10-hour battery, both Bluetooth and USB connection. I just don't leave home without it. This always stays in its neoprene on-the-go travel case in my laptop bag, and I take the Huddly camera in its little case with me. So this is a mobile solution as well. Very compact devices here. Yeah, what we've done is taken the Huddly and the YVC-200 and bundled them together as one solution. To go over the Huddly real quick, 150-degree angle, wide angle lens, 720p 30 frame. They also have the IQ camera as well, but this is the Go. Pan, tilt, zoom. The one thing that's nice about the Huddly is the auto cramming and fropping that it does. You can be just talking in the room by yourself. Another person comes in, and it's going to zoom out and include that second person in the conversation. So yeah, if you're looking for the best camera on the market right now and the best audio product, we have them together in our all-in-one bundle.
That sounds pretty perfect to me. And I mean, the best part about it is just how compact it is. I mean, look at this.
Yes.
This fits in your computer bag. This fits in your purse, right? It is for on the go. It is for work from anywhere. And it's not just work from anywhere, Tim.
There we go.
We've actually seen this very successful in K through 12 and higher education as well for students and teachers that are both teaching and learning and doing this virtual education. So it is a very versatile bundle. If you folks have any questions about it, reach out to Tim Mackey or myself. We will be here to point you in the right direction. We hope you all have a great weekend. Tim, thank you for your time today on 5 Minute Friday with Tyler Cox and Tim Mackey.
Good to talk to you too, Tyler. Good to see you. And I'm going to sign off now on my YVC-200, and we'll see you next Friday, Tyler.
See you next Friday.